Hi, I'm Catherine McCord from Weelicious. I love making this chia seed pudding because it's easy to keep in the fridge, whether it's for a snack or a breakfast, and I know that it's so nutritious, my kids can grab it, and the secret is it tastes just like vanilla pudding, but a lot healthier. Let me show you how to make it. In a large bowl, I've got a measuring cup bowl here, I'm gonna put 2 cups of milk. Now, you can use cow's milk, you can use skim milk, low fat, almond milk, rice milk, coconut milk, any kind of milk that you like. That's what's great about it, is you can add plenty of variations here. Now we're gonna squeeze in plenty of honey. About a 1/4 cup, but if you want a much sweeter, you could add more like a 1/3 cup. You can always do less, but my kids love that natural sweetness of honey. And then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If you really wanna get fancy, you could also take the little beans, bean pods of a fresh vanilla bean. And the most important part, the chia seeds. Chia seeds are amazing because they're like these little sponges that when they hit the liquid, they start to expand over time. They have this incredible taste, and they're packed with all kinds of things from fiber to omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and more. So we're gonna do about 1/2 cup. It's like rain, it's so beautiful. And they also make white and black chia seeds. They have similar properties nutritionally. So if you find white, you can use those too. All right, just stirring it up. Now you could do these in 2 ways. I love to put them in little mason jars because I think that they look beautiful and they're great as an on-the-go snack. Just pour it in, dividing evenly. You can see, look, they start to already get a little bit gelatinous, and that's what makes this super thick and creamy. And if you want it to be even creamier, you can even put the entire mixture in a blender and it'll puree up those chia seeds a little bit more. But I like it when there are those little beads of chia seeds. It just makes it so delicious. Whenever my kids see these in the refrigerator, they go crazy because it's like dessert, but it's actually good for you. And they know it, which is good. You can give them another little stir if you want, just to get everything completely stirred and blended. And then you're gonna cover them for about 4 hours or overnight, but they can stay in the fridge up to a week. In they go. And when they've refrigerated for a few hours, they turn out like this. Aren't they beautiful? And they're the perfect snack for after school, for breakfast in the morning, where you know you're getting all the things your body really needs.